Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be unboxing the boAt Rockerz 550 over-ear wireless headphone. The device, as you can see over here, comes in this packaging. It supports quick connectivity through Bluetooth 5.0 with 50mm dynamic drivers offering performance. The 500 mAh battery offers up to 20 hours of playback, and the ergonomically structured over-ear headphone allows for physical noise isolation. So let's go ahead and unbox this headphone. There you have the headphone itself. Apart from the headphone, in the box you have the user manual for the Rockerz 550 detailing specifications and all the functionality that you need to know. You also have the product catalog from boAt detailing all their various products. You have a warranty card from the manufacturer boAt. And in terms of accessories, you have two cables. You have the micro USB charging cable that you can see over here. And you also have the 3.5 mm audio cable that you can use for aux input into your wireless headphone if you want to make it into a wired connection. As for the over-ear headset itself, as you can see over here, it has this sturdy build design over here. On the headphone, padded band at the top, padding on the over-ear headphones on the side for comfort. On the device itself, you have your power on off, your volume toggle, the connection for your on the device itself, you have your power on off, the volume toggle plus minus, you have the aux connection itself, as well as the micro USB port for connecting your charging cable. And that's it. And there you have your boAt Rockerz 550 over-ear wireless headphones. Thank you for watching.